Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Fire tablet model and Fire OS version because the APKs must match. Once that's done, go to Settings and enable installing apps from unknown sources for the browser you'll use. Now, using the Silk browser, download 4 specific APKs in sequence: Google Account Manager, Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, then Google Play Store. Download them but don't install yet. Keeping the order is essential since each package depends on the previous one. Next, open the Files app and install each APK one at a time in the same order you downloaded them. This ensures dependencies resolve. Make sure you allow the browser or Files app to install unknown apps when the prompt appears and accept requested permissions so services can run. If you see Install blocked, return to Settings and enable that specific app. Once the Google Play Services and Play Store are installed, reboot the tablet to let system services register and to avoid crashes when you first open the store. Finally, open the Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. You may be prompted to update Play Services. Allow that update. After updates finish, install an app to verify everything works and check notifications and background data permissions if something fails. If the store crashes or account errors appear, clear Play Store and Play Services data, reboot, and reinstall the exact APK versions that match your Fire OS. That single troubleshooting step, matching versions and clearing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.